Welcome back to Brains and Victoria Reviews. Today we are making slime. First we'll do glitter slime and then edible slime. So first, let's just make it! We need invisible glue, food coloring, glitter McGlitterson, Valentine confetti, glitter, a bowl, and then we have borax. And we have let's just make it! The first step is a half a cup of water and some glitter glue. Let's do that. Water. So now we're gonna add clear glue in the measuring cup here. A lot, but not all the way to the top, because then we have to add this. A little bit of that. Whoa.
That's good.
We're using glitter glue, but you could just add glitter. Stir it. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, 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 stir. Now we're gonna add food coloring. A little bit at least. Neon pink. Now let's add a little bit of this. It's a little bit harder. Sounds like eggs in a pot swirling with bacon. We're gonna add a half teaspoon of borax to a half a cup of warm water. And this is the magic to making slime. It's like a tornado. Let's pour this in. Gotta mix it. Ew. Gross. This is harder than I thought. Let's touch it. Yeah, kind of slimy. Ew, it's gigantic slime. Ew. It looks like a heart with hearts on it. The next slime we're gonna make is edible Starburst slime. Let's make it! The ingredients are a bowl, half an ingredient, folks, cornstarch, powdered sugar, and some Starburst right here. We divided our Starburst here with color. It was a fun sorting activity. The first step is to wash our hands with soap and water. We already did that, so now it's up for step 2. The next step is to ask a parent to get the coals on the hot guys. Let's do that. Well,
I've never done this before. Let's see how this goes. That scared me too.
I never want to do that again.
Hang on.
Oh, it almost got me. Watch what happens. Let's watch what happens when you boil it. I'm seeing pink liquid and kind of like pink slime. Combine. It this. I'm looking forward to combining these. Mix. We're melting the reds. So let's just keep on melting spinach. And we have melted the pink one there. Let's dump this on the counter. On the counter.
Spread it out.
Make it a mess. Ha! Here.
We touch
Stir.
first. Yeah, that's really hot. I'm very sticky. All right, let that sit there for a second.
Hooray! This will be delicious. Putting it on here. Just like this. And that. Ooh, it's little get it done.
It's exactly what you're supposed to do.
It is?
Yep. You ball it up and then stretch it out. With this slime, there's no magic ingredient that makes it stretchy. You have to stretch it out to get air mixed in with it.
Can I have a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is this our slime? It's very hard. And it's edible. All of this stuff is edible. Can I have a little more?
You have white powder all over your face.
Ooh, it smells good. Are we making two different kinds of slime?
Well, right now we have it divided, remember, into pink and red. How's the red taste?
Tastes like cherries. It's like a Play-Doh transformer. It transforms into a head.
It feels a lot like Play-Doh, doesn't it? Are you ready to combine them?
Yeah! Let's do it.
Get into like the long
Okay.
piece. So just hold that.
Okay. Can I eat a little bit?
Yeah. Then here's what we're gonna do. Squash them together at the top,
Okay.
and then twist them.
This is gonna be awesome to eat. A squish, squish, a squish, a squish, a squish, a squish. It's ball. Kind of looks like Jupiter.
Whoa! Isn't it pretty?
What did you think of this Valentine slime? Put the answer in the comments if you liked it or not. I thought it looked beautiful.
Sticky?
Yeah, very.
Delicious?
Yes, of course.
No.
Ew. I bit my finger. You can store it in a container so you can save it for later. Subscribe to Braden's Epic Toys Reviews for more cool toys and activities. Bye.